It begins with pure gold, chosen for its timeless value. Melting allows hidden impurities to be removed, leaving the metal clean and uniform. Hammering carefully aligns the gold's inner structure, strengthening it for shaping. Gentle heat softens the metal, preventing cracks during transformation. A sudden cooling in water prepares it for the next stage. Rolling under great pressure creates a perfectly even thickness, essential for precision minting. Cutting produces exact blanks, ensuring every coin carries the correct weight. Each blank is carefully filed, achieving the precise weight required. Hardened steel dies transfer the design with detail and permanence. The result is a fusion of ancient gold and modern digital symbolism. A physical Bitcoin. Please subscribe for more.